Lack of safe drinking water has forced the people of Mwanachingwala village to share the same source of water with animals. Women are also reported to cover long distances to fetch the commodity. Musanza TV staffer Angela Nambeye has more detail in the following report.
They say water is life and everyone has a right to clean and safe drinking water. But this has not been the case for the people of Village 2 in Mwanachingwala area, who have for a long time been using the same source of water as animals. The traditional leaders are now concerned with the state of affairs.
Tulomba hulumende uti tugwahiriye umenda uti mwalanga hibachiba jaga panga muntu uteka tujana menda ino jaga yuminina ya uti mantuzwa muja yuminina ino kuba jana menda kula humaningi ono twayilomba ihulumende yaba edikajaga walungu uti tugwahiriye kuti kwa bantu banywe menda ali gaboto tumwa tugwahiriya nga twalumba muri wo kambo ngaba bantu banywa menda ali gaboto kuti ngababa amibiriri gaboto abana ngatwabagome gaboto ono munguli wo gwaga ni hulumende twagomba.
The area has 3 boreholes which are distant apart, forcing people to cover long distances just to access clean water, a situation which has led to sharing water with animals. The community has since appealed to the government to provide them with enough boreholes in the area. A woman spoken to by Musanza TV has also expressed worry over the long distances they walk just to get their water.
Bantu banja anji bahiragula mwinoji hibachitori kunywa menda yayuminina. So tuyanda menda utibana mbutu jisiba nini tuyuwe kuba kwa mihakabotu. Nubana hulumende tulomba menda.
In rural areas, women especially have been subjected to walk long distances to just fetch the commodity, while others have been privileged of misusing it. Angela Nambeye, reporting from Musanza TV.